Didn't mean to end it on y'all. So this looks like it's going to be a 3-part video. I accidentally hit the stop button because I ain't re-recording anything. And I don't got the tools to edit things, but that's alright. Y'all can just go 1, 2, 3. Okay. I just pulled my hair out with my glasses. I had them on my glasses on the top of my head and just pulled my hair straight out. Alright. We're going to see how she runs. I got to see if there's any noticeable difference. It's just going to be quick. Just to see. I want to say there's a difference. Watch out for these people cutting grass. I don't know if this road is open up here on OMSC, but we'll go by and see if we can loop around. If your sensor's all gunked up like that, it can't do its job. I mean, it could not do its job. I mean, how is it going to sense anything if it can't sense anything? So, hopefully that took care of a lot of things, actually. We'll just have to keep riding it and see if it throws any more codes, or just keep riding it and see if it hesitates anymore, or we are going to attempt to go down this road because I got to get back to the house because I kind of just left with nobody's there and the door's kind of open. I can hear I can hear something wanting to start squealing when I slowed down just then. But it feels a lot stronger. I haven't felt it hesitate, which it was doing. It's riding pretty smooth. Whoa. Uneven road. So far, I mean, simple as that, man. I mean, that's why it threw up a code mass airflow sensor. I'm like, let me take her out and see if she needs a cleaning. I can hear, I don't know if it's a pulley or kind of sounds like a pulley's wanting to start squealing or something. I'm not sure. Muffler you are hearing is by Vibrant. I bought that long ago. I'd say probably 12, 13 years ago maybe. But it really hasn't been on this car for that long. I just got it installed maybe 5, 6 years ago. About 6 years ago. Because I buy things and then I never install them. Apparently. Okay, well, I was feeling hesitation before, and I'm not now, so there's a plus. I'm gonna keep driving her and keep an eye on her, and you know, if the check engine light comes on, I'm gonna read them codes and see what they say, and see if we have eliminated the mass airflow sensor. I have reset the codes, so right now I do not have a check engine light on, but I normally would. And yeah, I hear something trying about I don't know, it kind of wants to squeal. It's kind of like a ringing sound. It's not really a squeal, so it makes me think it's a pulley. But we'll check into that. Not too worried about it because my car's always done that. Alright, so that was it. My airflow sensor cleaned, done. Might do it on the truck, but I'll have to look more into that one because that one's different. So, till next time, we will make another video. See you then.